So good day everyone, welcome to our Ben's channel. So today we'll introduce our outdoor floor standing, and this one is the single sign here and with the 55-inch. And you can see this one with the outdoor waterproof here and with the LCD temple glass here. And also with the 2000 high brightness. And we can go to the setting. Yeah, you can see here with the different software here. And we can go to the setting. You can connect the Wi-Fi, USB, and we can go to the diverse. Can connect the different and change the different language. And also can see about the motherboard here with the detail. And go back to the home page. Yeah, with our CMS software, so you can play the video, picture, or together make the split screen is also okay. And also we can go this one with the air condition here, and you can see the temperature. And with the different motherboard and with the interface here. And with the waterproof hardcover. And close the door and close it.